as I was scrolling through TikTok, this look caught my eye and I immediately put it in my saved folder. I had to do my investigation and I went to Melissa's channel and she didn't disappoint. I needed to know what the deets were and I love this look. Let me tell you, I love this look so much that I just jumped into them comments and I told her, yeah, I'm going to be trying this style and I'm going to be definitely going to be shouting you out. So hey girl, hey Melissa, thank you so much for inspiring this look. Now let's get into the deets. So she started to describe where she got the hair from. I immediately went to their website, Crochet Braids Plus, and I started looking at their colors. I couldn't believe they had so many different colors, like 4 pages of colors. Crazy. But there was one specific color that stood out to me, and that was that honey blonde. Tell me she's not killing this look. I said I needed that. I needed this look. I needed that in my head. Now, Melissa wore medium. I wanted to copy her style, so I went ahead and got the length medium. And as I was about to check out, I got this, hey, do you want 20% off? I said, yeah. Who doesn't want more money off their products? So I went ahead and put my email address in, and sure enough, they sent me that 20% off coupon. I purchased their hair on December 30th. Gonna show you how much, because remember I told you this is not sponsored. So after 20% off, my order came up to about $159. They shipped my order out on the 4th. I think that was fast shipping, especially because I ordered it right before New Year's. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how it came packaged. It has all of their branding on it, and it came with 5 bundles of that crochet hair. The bundles have that little twisty thing on it. And let's just get into this color. I'm showing you what it looks like in the sun, showing how it looks with natural lighting. This color is gorge. I'm so glad I purchased this color. So the items I'm going to be using is the wig cap, my crochet needle, and let's get into the installation. So the key for me when you're doing crochet is to have raggedy braids, because when them parts is starting to part, you want to make sure that it looks like it's coming out of your scalp. So I like to make sure that my braids is a little raggedy, a little Jim Jonesy, so that it looks more natural. Now, the reason why I'm putting this hairnet on, I did get a couple of questions when I posted my short and also my TikTok of this style, is because I want to make sure that I'm actually crocheting in between where the parts are. The hair comes with a hook ready for you to crochet. I wasn't happy with that long length, so I decided to go ahead and do it halfway to make the style a little bit shorter, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start to crochet the hair in. But yeah, so with the net, I chose to do the net. The reason why, like I said, is so I can have the crochet in between where my parts are. You don't have to use the net. That's just me, and I'm showing you guys what half of the crochet is looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna continue to install the crochet with the rest on the rest of my head. Now that hole in the back of my stocking cap, don't worry about that. I'm gonna close it out. Hey guys, I just want to stop in the middle of doing my voiceover just to tell you guys that what I'm planning on doing with this video is giving you guys kind of a 1-month review on how it's looking. While I'm speaking, just notice how fast it's taking me to do this style. But I decided that what I wanted to do a little bit different is, a lot of people who have reviewed this look is they'll do the style, they'll show you the style the way it looks right away, like as soon as it looks fresh. And then you got to come back for another video just to see like how it's held up. A lot of people have questions. I purchased this here with my own money. So I want to give you guys like a real-time review. This is not sponsored. I put that in my disclaimer in the beginning. So what I'm going to do is this today, if my phone will show you, hold on. So today is the 20th. It's 5:29. The sun is about to set, so I'm trying to record really fast. I had a lot of stuff that I had to do today. So I'm going to check back in with you on Wednesday. And the reason why I'm checking back in with you on Wednesday just to see how it is because I do work from home and I tend to keep my bonnet on all the time. I'm going to show you the bonnet I'm talking about once I actually finish the hairstyle. I wanted you to see like how it looks when it's been packed in a bonnet for so long. I do have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday. That's the reason why specifically I'm checking in on Wednesday. I have a doctor's appointment, as you guys know. I have a back injury, and that's the reason why I haven't really been uploading that much, because it takes a lot to sit down and record a hairstyle. So anyway, I have to get an epidural shot on Wednesday. So when I'm on my way to the doctor's office, I'm going to give you guys another check-in on how this hair is holding up. Then I'm going to check in again on Saturday just to show you guys how the hair is holding up. and then the following week, and then week 3 and week 4. So you guys can get a full month review on this hair and see how it's holding up. Instead of you having to come back to another video to do so. So I do apologize in advance if this video is pretty long. But I really want to give you guys a full detailed video tutorial along with a consumer review on if this is worth your investment, because this is kind of expensive. and yeah, you can also see real time like how fast it's taking me to install this in my head. Right now, I just finished watching Chrissy's video, and I commented under her video, letting her know, like, girl, I'm actually doing this same hairstyle. I will tag Chrissy's video. She's another content creator, obviously on YouTube, who is amazing. If you don't know her channel, then girl, why are you not subscribed to her? But anyway, she just posted this tutorial, and she showed it longer, and then she cut it. I don't know how to cut. I'm not a cutter. I don't know how to cut. So I did buy it longer, and I'm actually doing it in half, like I showed you guys, because I don't know how to cut. I initially wanted it longer, but I kind of want it shorter this time because I was looking up videos on TikTok, and I saw a girl who has it shorter. So I'm going to opt for a shorter look. And by doing shorter, you just fold it in half, and that's it. You can see how fast I'm working with this. Like, this is super easy. My daughter and my husband are outside playing as the sun is setting. I'll give you a behind the scenes. I don't want to do it on this camera. I'll do it on my iPhone. So as you can see, like, the sun is setting right now. Hubby and my baby girl is outside playing, and here I am recording. And then also too, I'm a big Zelda head, so I'm also watching a live stream of someone playing Skyward Sword. So that's what I'm doing behind the scenes. All right, so it's back to me doing the voiceover. Hey girl, hey. So I'm gonna continue to finish doing the back. This is what one bundle looks like, and this is what 2 bundles look like. It's pretty full. It's giving, I'm loving this hair so far. And this is what I have left over. So now I'm gonna work with the front of my hair. Now, if you're wondering how to work it with the net, I actually work around the net, and some parts I actually crochet within the net. And then when it comes to my edges, my edges are very sacred. If you follow my channel, you know that I care about my edges more than anything else in this world. So I make sure that I don't put the crochet too close to my edges. I will eventually blend it in. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the top. Now, wherever I'm going to have parting showing, I will cut that part of the net. So don't worry about that. You'll see me cut it. But I'm just showing you guys what the fullness is looking like. Now, when I get towards where I'm going to have my leave out, I do pay attention to where I'm crocheting it. I try to crochet it as close as possible to my part. But this hair is so good. Like, when you crochet it, you don't even see the knot. As soon as you crochet it, you just see a curl. Like, it just gives you like a curl, and it's just like that illusion that you need. I'm just loving it so far. And then I'm going to show you guys basically what the final looks like before I go ahead and decide to cut the net. All right, so I broke my camera yet again. I just got this camera back. But anyway, it fell off my tripod. Here's a clip of it. Oh, shoot. So I'm going to be recording from my backup camera, the Lumex. I'm going to just have my husband help me fix the backup camera. So hopefully it's the same quality. If not, I do apologize in advance. And I was almost done with this hairstyle. And when I say I was almost done, this is what I mean. All I had left to do was to cut this net and tease it. But whatever. The show must go on. This is why you need to have backup cameras. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to cut the net so that you don't see it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my teasing brush. I will link it below. I purchased mine from Amazon. So if you want the same brush, it will be linked below. Please know that I do get commission off of you clicking any links that I have in my video, except for any links from my website. But anyway, I am teasing the hair. I'm picking the hair up and I'm teasing it close to where I have the knots, so it gives the illusion that it's growing out of my scalp. Just keep doing that until you feel like it looks natural. You can use this technique also if you're doing straight yaki hair for crochet, to just give it the illusion like it's growing out of your scalp. I've seen some people like cut it, but I rather just tease it, and look at that. Just with the simple tease, it just looks like it's growing out of my hair. I'm using my iPhone here and I'm just teasing it some more because I had to look a little bit closer in my bathroom mirror to see what I was doing instead of looking in the camera lens. And the same thing, it looks like it's like growing out of my scalp. I have absolutely zero leave out, and look at how well it's blending with my hair. It looks like I colored my hair. I'm so glad I chose this color. This is how much hair I had left over. I had a bundle and just a little bit left of another bundle. And this is what the final look looked like. I absolutely loved it. Like, loved it. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. This hair is just so beautiful. And it was so easy to do. And I didn't have to cut it, no layering, no nothing. Your girl done went outside just to see what it looks like, give it a little wind test to make sure that I did fill up my spaces. Like, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so today is Wednesday. This is literally my first time taking my bonnet off my head. As I told you guys, I work from home. So let's see how this hair is holding up. I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment. And so far, this is all I have to do. This is this one is about to come out. Okay. I'm gonna have to put that one in later. But this is what it looks like when it's been in the bonnet since I recorded on Saturday. Again, today is Wednesday. I just gotta touch up my edges right here. So I'm checking in really quick because I am late running late for my appointment. But this is what it's looking like so far. Kind of nervous about that one piece coming out, but I don't expect for me to be fluffing my hair up like this. And then I have like a huge pimple on my nose. So I have like my pimple patch to like kind of hide it. And I feel like with this being in my hair, it kind of covers it. So coming in really quick, this is day 4 of me wearing the hair. Again, literally kept the bonnet on my head for those 4 days. And so far, so good. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in 1 week from when I installed it. Isn't this color popping, y'all? Like, it's so bomb. Like, look at this color. It's so gorgeous. Come on. So it's officially been a week since I've had it in my hair. I'm showing you guys, try and attempt to show you guys that it's been 7 days and it's still holding up. Again, like I said, I work full-time at home. YouTube is not my full-time job. I actually have a full-time job and I wear a bonnet literally 99.9% of the time since I'm home, and it still looks fresh. It's not compact, anything at all. Now here's week 2. Week 2 is wash week. I don't wash my hair every week. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I do apologize again, new camera, it didn't focus, but I'm showing you guys me washing the hair because of course if you're going to keep it in for more than a month, you're probably going to need to know how it holds up with washing your hair. I'm using my Camilla Rose Black Castor Oil shampoo. I like the shampoo because it gives you a nozzle, so I'm able to reach my hair underneath the crochet and just go ahead and slather that shampoo in my hair and make sure that I'm thoroughly washing my hair underneath. There's no need for me to apply shampoo to the crochet hair because 1, I'm not wasting my shampoo, and 2, it's not dirty because I didn't put any product in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse that out of my head. Again, so sorry that it's not in focus. Again, just trying to adjust to a different camera with a lens that doesn't really autofocus is really annoying. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite conditioner, my Scarlet conditioner. I will have a video coming up probably next week showing you guys my review on that Scarlet hair. But look at this. Do y'all see this? Tell me this is not my hair. Like, Tell me this is not my hair. Look at this. This looks exactly like my hair texture where it's wet. I cannot believe that this is synthetic hair. And this is it semi-wet. Like, I was telling my husband, because he was making sure I was in frame for this, that I just couldn't believe how natural this look. So shameless plug, I'm going to be using my Haitian castor oil with rosemary mitten. Go ahead and pick it up. Link will be below. And I use that to the base of my hair just to make sure that my hair is actually staying hydrated and moisturized, and it's growing while it's in this protective style. So I'm going to oil my scalp throughout. You can use whatever you use your grease, whatever it is, to make sure that your scalp is moisturized while you're having this protective style, especially after you wash and condition the hair. Don't forget the nape, but I'm going to massage it in. But look at this. This literally looks like my hair. Tangling, as tangling is concerned, I personally don't need to comb through this hair. It's synthetic hair, so tangling wasn't like an issue for me. Again, I'm just showing you guys just close-ups on how like natural it looks after I washed it. But I personally didn't experience any tangling because I'm not combing it out. All I'm doing is fluffing it out. My leave out is starting to look way more natural, but the crochet is slipping. Now, this is week 3. I'm giving you guys an update. This is what it looks like straight out of my bonnet. And you can tell I've had this in for a while because look at my edges, child. But again, all I do is fluff it out. There is no need for you to put a comb or a brush to this hair. Just use your fingers and fluff it out, and you're going to get the longevity of this hair. So I'm fluffing it out. This is literally a week after I've washed my hair, and it's still looking just as fresh, or I would say even better. But woo, child, look at them edges. Like, my crochet just moved all the way to the back, but I'm just showing you guys just a quote unquote texture shot to show you, you know, what we're working with. And to me personally, it still looks good. Now, Crochet Braids Plus actually reposted my TikTok video on their Instagram, and I saw a few people say that their hair tangled, and that's the reason why I'm letting you guys know, like with the tangling, I'm showing you guys, I'm pulling the hair apart, I'm going in between each part and I'm pulling it apart, and I'm not really seeing tangling like that. I don't know how they're seeing tangling, not trying to discredit what their experience is. Again, all I do is fluff the hair, but even when I try to pull it apart, I got a little bit of snags here and there, but I just don't see it. Now, I miscalculated on how long I kept this in. I really thought this was week 4. So I'm already taking it out. So I do apologize that my title is a little clickbaitish, saying a 1 month review. It's actually 3 weeks because I'm sitting here editing and everything that I was looking at said 3 weeks. When I commented on Chrissy's video, Melissa's video, it said 3 weeks. And I'm sitting there like, I really had this in for 3 weeks and not 4 weeks. But anyway, someone mentioned under that same video on how to take out the crochet, and I'm showing you guys, I did a little slow-mo before, sorry, I was over talking, but basically all you do is you just find your loop and you just pull it out. I didn't do a double loop. Oh, see, this one was a little bit hard, so I just ripped that one out. It didn't pull my hair because again, I had the net underneath it, but you just go ahead and just wiggle that out. But anyway, I didn't do the double loop. I just did a single loop. So all I had to do is just find that loop, pull my hair through the loop, and then just pull it out, if that makes sense. You can go back to the slow down title and just see what I'm talking about because I over talked it, but that's just basically how you take it down. So I do apologize that my math was not mathing, and I really thought I had it in for a full month. I'm currently editing it with nothing in my hair right now because I just wanted to just feel let my scalp feel the wind. So I apologize I didn't have it in for a month, but just to give you guys a full review, I love this hair, and I'm going to figure out how to make it into a wig because I need this in my rotation. I really do. I will definitely give it a 10 out of 10. You're going to see me say 10 out of 10. There's nothing that I can say bad about this hair. I purchased this with my own money. Again, this is not sponsored. This is from a consumer's point of view. I done washed the hair. I done left it in the bonnet for days after days. And all I had to do was fluff it out and just comb my edges. That is it. So if you guys want to know if it's worth it, me personally, it is worth it. Again, when it comes to the tangling, I don't see where you guys saw the tangling because all I did was fluff it out. I'm hopefully you guys watch this full 20-minute video. Please thumbs it up, comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. And for those who were asking, I'm so sorry for putting this out late. It's taken me days to edit all of these videos, all these clips. So I do apologize for having it out so late. On top of that, my back injury, girl, is too much. But thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!